welcome, and today I'm gonna be rating and trying on the E.L.F. Monochromatic Multi Stick. You're wondering, what is this? What is a monochromatic stick? A monochromatic stick is, it basically, you can apply it to your lips, as lipstick, your cheeks as blush, and your eyes as eyeshadow. And I'm gonna be showing you how to do it in all of those ways. This is the packaging. I kind of already took it out of the box, but this is just like the packaging. I love it, and I love E.L.F. and it was super duper inexpensive, which is really amazing. But this is the packaging, and I got the color Dazzling Peony. So, fun fact, it's number 11 in makeup on Amazon. Open the box. Basically, there's this little like lift thing, and you just like lift it up, and then you pull these back, and then you lift this like black thing up, and it reveals this, which just like holds the micro stick in, and then you just go like this, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna show a comparison. So this is it compared to my hand, and this is it compared to a hairbrush, and this is it compared to a pencil. So that's just a comparison about the side. It's really easy to open it up. This is just the logo. It says Monochromatic Multi Stick on it. This is just the bottom. This is the back of it. And then, so this is the color. It is so cute. Just to remind you, it's Dazzling Peony. But basically you spin it open, and there it is inside. It looks really cute. And then, so this is, let me just show you the amount that comes in it, the amount that comes inside of it. So, it is super duper easy to use. So I'm going to be showing you how to use it. I'm going to be showing you how it looks on my skin. And I have more of like a paler face. Not as pale as my sister Ella, but pretty pale. So I'm just going to be showing you the comparisons to my hand. So this is what it looks like. Super duper cute. And now so yeah, that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to be putting it on my lips. So basically, you just act like as a lipstick. Just put it on. Don't go like super hard because you don't want it to get like on your other parts of the face. Also, don't mind this. I haven't washed this off yet. So this is how it looks as a lip. It looks really cute. I love it. So that's just how it is. So basically just apply it like a regular lipstick. So that's just how you apply it as a lipstick. So it is really easy. All you just gotta do is like put on your cheeks, and then you blend it in with like a brush. This is the brush I'm gonna be using. I have a sponge. You couldn't blend it with that, but I just haven't opened that. I'm just gonna be using like a brush right now. How it looks. Let me just see if I need to add more. I might need to add just a little bit more, but it's so easy. All you just gotta do is just like put it on. Put a little bit on. Maybe like a little bit more on. And I just need to close it up. And all you just gotta do is blend it. And I do this face. It exposes your cheekbones, and it'll be really easy to do it because the blush is gonna be going on your cheekbones, which are these. That's how it looks. That should be enough. Alright, so that's how it looks as a blush. It's super duper easy. All you just remember, just the back, just put it on, blend it up, and then just look to see if you got enough and if you need a little bit more, and always just make this face to help it expose your cheekbones to make it easier. So that's it as blush. I'm going to be doing it as a eyeshadow. So eyeshadow is probably the most difficult one, but it's still really easy to apply this. So really what you do is you just dab a little bit on your finger, rub your finger like that, and then just put it on your eye. Just put it on. Like rub it on your eye. Just make sure that's enough. Maybe just a little bit more. But look, all you just gotta do is tap with your finger and then just trace around like your eye. Like just go all around there. A little bit all around there. Just like all around like where this part is with your eyeball. Don't get all the way up here. If you do like more advanced eyeshadow, you might get all the way up there, but just for now with this, just easier. Just get around there. That's it. I think it's done. Let me just see. Okay, that's done. Okay, so that is how you put it on as eyeshadow. So this is the final look. I think it turned out really good. And I'm new to using this, and it was so easy to use. So if you're new and you're finding something you want makeup to put on because you're new, then this is perfect. It is just amazing. I hope you liked the video and make sure to subscribe and like. Bye! Oh, so the color is Dazzling Peony. Oh, that sounded a little much. Something fell. No, something fell. Okay, I don't know. Something fell, but I cannot find it. Oh, I'm filming. Opening it up, it is so easy. It's not. Oh no! I just dropped it. I'm gonna be showing you. Oh, I gotta take my journal off. Oh. So this was so easy to use.